Okay, so it's the first start after rebuilding. Fingers crossed. We're going to see what happens. That was dumb. So we're down at Connor's shed, and here's Connor's pit bike that we're going to fix up this evening. We're going to try to get it ready for tomorrow because we're going out woods riding for like the whole entire night. Well, hopefully, if it doesn't rain. But there's Connor's bike so far. He built the, well, basically bought the frame. What was it, 50 quid?
50 quid, yeah. Just the frame and swing arm and forks that didn't work. They were banjacks. So yeah,
so it was just that.
And an exhaust.
And exhaust.
With no muffler.
But he's gotten, what you get, brand new wheels. Brand new front suspension.
Brand new wheels, brand new front brake, brand new front forks, brand new trigger clamps. What else is a brand new muffler? 2 or 3 brand new engines.
This is the what? This is the third. No, second.
Second,
but you have 3 engines to make that one engine.
Yeah, there's 3 engines in one there and different heads off a different.
So it's a 110cc with a 125cc head, which means the valves are going to be much bigger. But it runs amazing.
All new wiring. New levers, throttle.
You got new throttles in the mail. New exhaust.
New exhaust. It's
brand new chain.
Color, but I actually kind of like the blue.
Yeah, he's got lots of colours going on, just like me.
Yeah.
So
there's a few other things, like all the small things that I can't think of, but
that all came together.
And
he has parts off KX. What was the KX 250?
Yeah.
All this is off a KX 250. The levers off KX 250.
Yeah.
So they all feel really good and sturdy, which is really nice. But tonight we have a list of things. Connor just went through them with me. He's got to change the back shock. He's got a new shock. He's got to line the wheel, put the chain on, take the handlebars off, and he's got to grind down basically where the handlebars fit in because they're not tightened enough. And then we've got to tape up all the wiring and then put it all back together again.
Yeah. And
hopefully be able to ride tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're going to see some grinding next. That's going to be like a blooper. Where's your safety glasses? Careful. It is, yeah. Yeah, sure enough, a lot though. Okay, so it's the first start after rebuilding. Fingers crossed. We're going to see what happens. Oh, that was promising. You choke on? You always need choke, all the time. So here are the finished bikes. It's my one. We're out for our first ride up the woods, and we came up a few minutes ago and my flywheel came straight off, so we've now Loctited it back on. And here's Connor's bike. Here we go, all finished up, custom non-leak gas tank. So we're gonna switch to GoPro, and we're gonna see what the max speed is on one of the speedometer apps, and we're going to see which bike is faster on the not so straight, not so flat area that we're about to go on. So we're going to flick straight there. GPS is in my pocket. I'm going to start this up. I think it's alright. the flywheel comes straight off as we're going along. I just can't get used to that kill switch whatsoever. So not used to it. Okay. Just start straight in second. Go for it. For a 110, it's not bad. That side is way bumpier. Way bumpier. Okay, your turn. What'd you say? In case you just get bounced straight off. Why, switching the corner. Actually, before we do that, let's check the speed. Let's check. Oh no, X. Can you use your finger on the X there?
Okay, max speed
63. What? I don't know if you can see it. Maybe not. 63 down here. 63.4 kilometers. So we'll see what Connor does now. Switching over. What's going on? sounds okay now. You're hardly out of petrol, are you?
No, couldn't be. No.
What's wrong?
Just spluttering and fucking.
Really?
Just like died.
Maybe yours flywheel's coming off too. Like mine.
Yeah.
Let's check your speed. Okay, let's see. So I was 63.3 or
57.
something. That was, we're going to use your excuse though.
Yeah.
So
Wasn't running right. So.
okay. I want to take yours for a spin anyway. What's is it? It's just been spluttering.
Yeah. It's
I'm curious to see.
I don't know what's going on.
Like it's starting up on a dime, like. It's probably because the carb is leaking so much. Yeah, I'd say. I don't know. I'll have to just bring it for another spin and see.
Perfect. Perfect.